In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix GCash, your internet connection seems unstable error. If you're seeing this message while using GCash, it usually means the app can't maintain a steady link to GCash's servers. The good news is, most of the time, it's a quick fix. This alert can even appear on a decent connection if the servers are busy or your signal dips briefly. We'll walk through a simple sequence and you can stop as soon as the error disappears. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better right now. On Wi-Fi, make sure you have a strong signal and minimal interference. Being closer to your router and pausing heavy streaming on other devices can help stability. On mobile data, confirm you have solid coverage, like 4G or 5G, and that your data is enabled. After switching, open GCash again and see if the error clears. If the message persists, fully close the GCash app and reopen it. Don't just minimize it, swipe it away from your recent apps so it actually restarts. If that doesn't help, restart your phone. A clean reboot refreshes your network settings and often clears temporary glitches that block secure connections. Next, clear the app cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing hiccups without touching your account data. Go to your phone's settings, then apps, find GCash, open storage, and tap Clear Cache. Avoid tapping Clear Data. Once that's done, launch GCash and try again. Don't worry, clearing cache doesn't affect your balance, your server-stored transaction records, or your linked accounts. It only removes temporary files on the device. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Open your device's app store, search for GCash, GCash, and install any available update. Updates frequently include connection fixes and compatibility improvements, so staying current can prevent the error from coming back. If you use a VPN or have data saving or firewall type apps running, disable them temporarily. These tools can reroute or restrict traffic and sometimes block the secure channels the app needs. After turning them off, test GCash once more. And if none of these steps work, reach out to GCash support. There may be a server-side incident or an account-specific issue they need to check. Contact them through their official help channels and mention the exact error message. Sharing when it appears and whether it happens on both Wi-Fi and data helps them narrow things down quickly. Follow this flow from connection checks to cache clearing and updates, and you'll resolve most connectivity errors fast. If the alert pops up occasionally, it can be a brief network blip. Just try again after a moment. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back to your transactions without interruptions.